Hey, what's up YouTube? NXD8. Today I'll be showing you guys how to install AwesomeBEATS for your Galaxy Note 2, the international one and the US one. I'll be doing this one on the Galaxy Note 2 from T-Mobile because that's the one that I'm using. And the reason I'm doing this video for because on the thread I was seeing a lot of people having issues how to install it, or after they install it they don't know how to use it, or it's not working for them. I guess, well, yeah, let's get started. First things first, your phone, your Galaxy Note must be rooted. Once again, this is for the Galaxy Note 2, the international one and the US one. So if you don't have root access, pause this video or stop it and go root your phone and then come back again over here. Okay, personally me, I use Root Explorer. I have the paid one because I use it daily on, daily basis to push or, move APK files into my system file. Okay, I'm gonna go to Root Explorer. Go to where you have downloaded AwesomeBEATS and Beats installer. For example, on mine, I move all my APK files into the APK file from my external SD card. So go to the folder wherever you have it. Okay, let's get started. So first things first, if you're using Root Explorer, obviously go to the folder that you have the APK file saved or downloaded at. Press and hold, and then copy it, and then go back. To go back just to the folder that you want to push the file to, just press this one, parent folder. It's gonna go back. So go back, system, the first one, app. This is all your APK files. Make sure this is mount right overnight. I already have it right here because I reinstalled it, but I'll do it again for you guys. So paste it. AwesomeBEATS APK already exists. Do you want to overwrite it? Yes. Okay. I'm gonna go back, storage, external SD card, because that's where I have the APK's file saved at. APK Beats installer. Click on it, install it, click OK, install, open, next, install Beats. I'm just gonna ask for root super user access, so grant it. That's it. Finish. After you reboot your phone, you're gonna go to settings, sound, music, effects, and it's gonna appear right here, and that's it. If you have any more questions, feel free to message me or I'll try to help you guys out. So that's basically it. Peace.